VPNs are known to protect your privacy and provide proxy services as servers. They also protect us from fraud and threats. There are a lot of VPN providers, out of which Nord throws the biggest marketing budget. Let's see if it really does have some skin in the game. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and in today's video we are going to discuss everything you need to know about NordVPN. Let's go. Before getting to the video, if you are looking to get the highest discount on NordVPN, you can check out the link in the description below. Starting with one of the major questions about NordVPN. Is it safe? To answer that, there are a couple of features in NordVPN. First one is the no log policy, which means that they do not track your online activity, so our data is never stored or accessible. This policy is important for anyone looking to protect their online privacy, as it ensures that your data is never stored or shared with any third party. Something that is an extremely useful feature in the app is kill switch. What it does is it automatically disconnects you from the internet whenever you lose VPN protection, so your identity is not revealed by accident. Once your VPN is restored, it will automatically reconnect you to the internet. And good thing is that this feature is available on all the platforms. NordVPN uses DNS to help your device navigate. Servers will handle all DNS requests, keeping everyone else out of the loop. So even your ISP will only know that you are logged into their servers, but they won't be able to have information beyond that. A VPN with leaking is no good VPN. Thank God this one is not the case. I have tested it myself and it protects from DNS and IPv6 leaks. Protocol is the HTTP or HTTPS sign you see before all your links. These are just data transfer channels, and just imagine if you get 2 or 3 protocols above HTTPS. It would be a bomb of security. For info, Nord has 3 additional protocols to make your data transfer much more secure. Split tunneling is a feature that allows us to specify which of our internet traffic goes through the VPN and which goes through your regular internet. When split tunneling is enabled, you can choose which apps will use the VPN and which will use the regular internet connection. The only drawback is that this feature is not available on macOS. Other than that, we also get specialty servers like Double VPN, Onion over VPN, P2P, dedicated IP, and obfuscated servers. That was a lot about security. Now that we know we are secure, let's move on to the features. One of the main reasons why people use VPN is to unlock geo-restricted content on streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, etc. And NordVPN works as expected. It can unlock geo-blocked content on all platforms. Torrenting is another thing you can do on their servers. Talking about the app, it's quite user-friendly and it's available on all major platforms including Fire Stick, Xbox, PlayStation, etc. Once you install the app, you will get the option to block ads, web trackers, and malicious websites. Not just that, it also has a dark web monitor that will give you alerts if your account is being compromised. And it will also protect you from threats, as it will scan downloaded files. Last but not least, it also has meshnet feature. It lets you access devices through encrypted private tunnels. It's similar to a VPN, but instead connecting to a VPN server, meshnet connects you directly to other devices, no matter their location. That will unlock a lot of things for us, so hosting a LAN party and even accessing local devices remotely are possible with this feature. Coming down to the servers and speed, right now they have servers in 60 countries. 60 countries may not sound a lot, but they have 5,400 servers, so you can connect to your nearest one and get pretty good speed. And overall it's pretty fast. I connected to the nearest server and the speeds were good. If you connect to the server on the other side of the earth, then definitely there would be a 40 to 50% of drop in speed. No service is perfect, and so is Nord. I mean, there are not much of cons, but having a drop of 50% in the speed is really disappointing sometimes. Also, the split tunneling feature is not available on Mac. Third, the kill switch can't be turned off on iOS or Mac device, so it's always turned on these devices. Looking through this, it looks like their major focus is either on non-Apple users or it's just Mac users' demand for more security. Other than that, it's mostly good. Talking about the price, here's what the plans look like. There is a monthly, yearly, and 2-yearly plan. We can choose between these 3 options, that if we want to choose add-ons like password manager and cloud storage. Best part is that all these plans come with 30-day money back guarantee, so if you didn't like the service, you can get a refund. However, if you are looking for a great cloud storage service, you can check out iDrive, which is offering 5 TB of cloud storage for $8, and it's a good service. So if you want to check it out, you can do so from the description below with 90% off along with NordVPN. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.